Top 10 smart home gadgets that actually save you time. Do you want to save time, energy, and maybe even a little sanity just by upgrading a few things in your home? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 10 smart home gadgets that do more than just look cool. They actually make your life easier. From kitchen wizards to task-slashing tools, these devices are engineered to boost your productivity and give you something priceless, your time back. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use them. This is LifeUp Tech, where we bring you the smartest ways to upgrade your everyday life. Oh, and stick around for a bonus gadget near the end that's so smart it practically reads your mind. Let's dive into the countdown. Number 10. The voice-controlled smart plug. Let's start simple, but powerful. The smart plug might look like an ordinary wall adapter, but it's your fast track to automation. Plug it in, connect it to your app or voice assistant, and boom! Your old coffee maker, lamp, fan, or humidifier is now voice-activated or scheduled. Imagine waking up to fresh brewed coffee without even touching a button. Even better, many smart plugs monitor energy usage, helping you track and optimize power consumption, especially for those sneaky vampire devices that drain electricity even when off. It's one of the most affordable entries into smart living, and it sets the stage for what's coming next. Coming up, a gadget that turns your kitchen into a hands-free haven. Number 9. Motion-sensing kitchen faucet. We've all had that moment, hands covered in raw chicken or flour and nowhere safe to touch. Enter the motion-sensing kitchen faucet. With just a wave of your hand, you can start or stop the flow of water. It's hygienic, intuitive, and shockingly satisfying. Some even come with preset temperature and flow settings, so your ideal dishwashing or pasta boiling setup is ready instantly. Over time, this tiny automation saves minutes every day and keeps your kitchen cleaner too. Still watching? You won't believe what number 7 does before you even walk in the door. Number 8. Smart robot mop and vacuum combo. If you hate vacuuming and mopping, good news! A smart robot combo unit can handle both. These little machines do more than just roam aimlessly. With LiDAR mapping, app control, and room-by-room scheduling, you can set it to clean only the kitchen after dinner or do the whole house while you're out. Some high-end models even empty themselves, and yes, that's just as satisfying as it sounds. It's like having a silent housekeeper that never complains. And speaking of silent help, wait till you see number 6. Number 7. Smart garage door opener. Ever left home and wondered, did I close the garage? With a smart garage opener, you'll never have to guess again. From anywhere in the world, check if it's open and close it remotely. Even better, some models use geofencing, so when your phone crosses a certain distance, it closes the door for you automatically, or opens it just as you pull in. It's one of those time-saving devices that also brings peace of mind. Coming up, a bedside upgrade that doubles as a personal assistant. Number 6. Smart alarm clock with sunrise simulation. This isn't your average alarm clock. A smart sunrise clock gradually brightens your room with warm light to gently wake you. No more jarring buzzers or blaring phone alarms. The science? Simulated sunrise triggers your brain to reduce melatonin naturally, helping you feel more awake, more focused, and less groggy. Pair it with white noise, natural sounds, or app-based sleep analytics, and you've got a powerhouse tool for better mornings and better productivity. If you thought waking up like this was high-tech, wait until you see what number 4 does while you're asleep. Still with us? Then you're clearly someone who values their time and wants to level up their home life. At LifeUp Tech, we're just getting started. If you're enjoying this countdown, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss our weekly drops on time-saving tools and smart upgrades that actually work. Let's get back to the list. Number 5 is a total game changer. Number 5. Smart fridge organizer with inventory tracking. This one's for the forgetful foodies. Smart fridge organizers now come with built-in cameras and sensors that track what you have, what's expiring soon, and even suggest recipes based on what's inside. No more buying that third bottle of soy sauce or discovering your strawberries turned into science experiments. Some apps even integrate with your grocery list, auto-updating it as you use items. Next up, a device that preps your meals while you work. Literally. Number 4. Countertop Smart Cooking Robot. Yes, this is real. The countertop cooking robot combines precision heating, stirring, and cooking all in one device. Just load the ingredients, choose the recipe from your app, and it does the rest, sautéing, stirring, simmering, and timing everything perfectly. You get chef-level results with zero babysitting. Perfect for busy weeknights, families, or anyone who'd rather spend time eating than cooking. And don't go anywhere, number 2 is practically psychic. Number 3. Smart light panels with schedules and scenes. Sure, smart bulbs are nice, but smart light panels take things to a new level. They don't just light up your room, they set the mood. Use presets for productivity, relaxation, or sleep. Schedule different scenes by time of day or trigger them with a voice command. Bonus, some even react to music or your screen, turning your space into a dynamic environment. Let us know in the comments, would you use these in your bedroom or workspace? Coming up, the most intuitive time-saving gadget we've ever tested. Number 2. AI-powered Home Assistant Hub. This isn't your average smart speaker. Newer Home Assistant hubs now use predictive AI to anticipate your needs before you even ask. Lights, thermostat, door locks, even your favorite playlist, all triggered by your patterns, not just commands. It's like living with a butler that learns your routines. Coffee at 7:15 a.m.? Done. Lights dimmed at 10:30? Already handled. It blurs the line between convenience and intuition. And finally, the one device you didn't know you needed but won't be able to live without. Number 1. Smart Laundry Folding Machine. Yes, it exists, and it's magnificent. The Smart Laundry Folder takes freshly dried clothes, scans them, and folds them into neat, uniform stacks, saving time, energy, and let's face it, your patience. For busy parents, professionals, or anyone who stares at laundry piles with dread, this is a miracle machine. Some models even sort clothing by type or user and send a notification when it's done. From chaos to calm, it's the ultimate time-saving win. And before we wrap up, we promised you a bonus. Bonus Smart Mirror with Personal Dashboard. Meet the Smart Mirror, your new morning companion. While you brush your teeth or do your hair, this mirror displays your calendar, to-do list, weather, and news, all while syncing with your phone. It's not just about looking good, it's about getting ahead before the day even starts. Now that's smart. So there you have it, 10 brilliant smart home gadgets that actually save you time, boost your productivity, and make everyday life just a little bit easier. And if you're still thinking about that laundry folding machine, same here. Here at LifeUp Tech, we believe time is the one thing you can't buy back, but you can design a smarter home that gives you more of it. Want to keep the momentum going? Then you're going to love our next video. Top 10 productivity tools you wish you knew sooner. It's packed with clever digital tools and hidden gems that can transform how you work, plan, and focus. Until then, live smart, live better.